First GoPro video. Getting ready to leave. Oh yeah, working. Good morning. On our adventure to start today. On a good late start because we were up all night trying to get ready. Here we're packed. We got a surfboard stuck in here. Garden towers. Little Nina ready to get up for the day. Make a coffee soon. All right, start with the coffee.
Welcome to Shay's Coffee Bar. We serve our coffees hot, cold, creamy, and black. Stay tuned for what will surely be the most magnificent coffee ever created.
Oh, lots of shit coffee. Not when I started. Good shit. Motherfucker. Alright. Alright, bye. This is Sam. No. Okay, cheers, thank you. And we're off.
Yeah, so
Here's Sam under the Jeep. Taking the drive shaft off now.
yeah, don't trust mechanics. Don't trust them.
He's just mad because he's cold and we can't do it in the shop. Got the trailer on now. Ooh, Grandma's only buns. Thank you, Grandma. Nice little snack on the road. Still parked up. Hello, Nina. Alright, I got Say now changing the oil. Can't see the hood's up. Let's start her up. Looks like we're about to take off soon.
Cold, man.
How's it going?
Pretty good, just the cleanup part, I guess.
Okay, okay. I guess I should put it away and give you a hand.
Oh, I got the dipstick still. Oops.
Good morning. It is, oh, you can't see the clock there, 9:35. Got Bunny cooking some coffee for us in this freezing cold. Not too bad of a temperature, actually.
It's like 4 degrees.
Yeah, we're in Swift Current, so. And you want some breakfast this morning? Want some breakfast? Oh, here's a light. Now we can see all the naughty things you're doing. Whoa!
Whoa. What was that?
Little parkour there this morning, eh?
Parkour.
Alright, get it.
Oh, she's got
Vacuum time.
This is dirty. Please turn my clothes.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi. How are you feeling today?
Poopy.
Poopy.
Do I look poopy?
No, you look fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Ready to continue the journey, the great journey west.
So what's our next mission?
Our next mission is to get at least to Calgary. But first, before that, we gotta fix our fucking tow dolly. Yeah, don't know how we're gonna do that, but we're at Walmart, and the sky's the limit.
Alright. Breakfast.
Now that's a fucking breakfast sandwich. Holy shit.
Alright, start fixing the trailer.
Yeah, we'll see how well this goes. We'll see if I can remember where the wires go.
Got some light in here now.
What the hell? These are total shit. What was that?
GoPro time lapse. Of course. Got stuck trying to go up the hill here. So, time to take the Jeep apart. Too heavy. I'm being the road blocker so no one squashes his feet. In Calgary. Peekaboo. I see you. Stuck in the middle of Calgary. Alright, let's see if this works. Adios! Alright, well, we're in Calgary trying to figure out where to stay tonight. Didn't plan out that the roads would be this awful, so this puppy keeps getting stuck.
That'll be good enough for this.
See? Oh, but not. Oh yeah, smudge it all over that.
Difficult, I think. Hello there, and welcome back to Shay's Coffee Bar.
Where we serve the finest wet milk coffee you've ever tasted.
Available all waking hours.
Escort your way down and let me fill your taste buds with pleasure. Shay's Coffee Bar. Good morning. One more time at the Walmart. Jose gonna take the drive shaft off one more time. And we're gonna be on the ferry soon. We're on the ferry port. Toll booth.
The last fucking stop! Got to get off the mainland. Fucking finally.